Today we have to understand how can we insert a picture on a in a document, in Word document. How can we adjust that picture with the text, and how can we do the editing of that picture. So suppose first time inserting a bordered, I will search a picture, bordered picture for to insert. So suppose it's I am going to create a, okay, let's take a picture, background picture first. Texture, backgrounds. Which I am going to insert on my whole page. Let's say uh, this one. No. Okay, this one, suppose. But the size is too small. So we have to check the sizes also. Size should be, go to settings, sorry, go to tools. Size should be large. So these are the white textures which we can insert on our page. So let's say I am going to insert this texture. Okay, let's try with this one. Save it. I'm going to save it in D drive. Open the texture. Copy it. Paste it on your Word file. This is how it is coming. Now I need to rotate this picture. So this is one of the option. Either you can rotate it from this green circle, or you can go to the format tab and there is an option to rotate. So rotate, okay, left 90 degree. Now I wanted to fit it on full page. But as soon as I'll increase the size, automatically it will shift to the margins. So we have to reduce margins from all the sides. So this gray portion I need to drag from all the sides, from left side, from right side, from top and bottom also, so that I can fit my background on the whole page. Okay, so background is ready now. Next is, now you can right click on this image and you can select wrap text behind the text. Behind the text means now you can place any image, any text over this image. So because it is going, it has gone behind the text. So you can also add some artistic effect. If you want to change the color of this, you can do the changes from here. These are the different colors which you can give. So like suppose I wanted to choose with the bluish tone. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, now we have to add one more picture, and I wanted to write some text here. So I'm going to copy and paste the text, any text. So copy it, paste it. But you cannot now, because we have inserted a background image and which is covering our whole portion of the page. So I cannot paste the text directly. For that I need to take a text box. Okay, you can also paste it directly like this, but here, see, this is, it will appear like this. So you have to start it from, because margins are, and if I'll try to shift it like this, then the image will also shift. So instead of using pasting the text directly, we can first insert the text box, and inside this text box you can place your text. Right now, if I'm placing a text box, then the text box is coming of white color, and I don't want to display it with white color, because obviously the background is getting distracted. So you can go to the format tab, you can choose shape fill as no fill, and shape outline as no outline. So now your text will appear like this. Right now I'm going to delete this background, and I'll show you how to adjust the text with the picture. Now suppose I wanted to paste a text here. Let's set the, now I wanted to place a picture on the left hand side of the text. या हम एक काम करते हैं, इसको ऐसे ही रहने देते हैं. Now I'm going to copy and paste a picture. So let's take this time. I am searching for a PNG picture. So this is not a PNG. This is also not a PNG. PNG images are those images which are not having any background. So I'm going to copy this picture now. This is a PNG one, and paste it here. So suppose I wanted to paste it here. So after pasting your picture, you can decrease the size of your picture. And because I want that this picture should appear on the right hand side of the text, and text should get automatically adjusted. So how can we do that? Decrease the size of the picture, right click on the picture, go to wrap text, and you can use through. Through का मतलब है, now wherever you will move this picture, automatically from that position your text will get shifted to some other location. So suppose मैं उसको यहाँ डालूंगी, तो जो भी around उसके जो भी text आ रहा होगा, it will automatically get adjusted. So I wanted to place this picture in this corner, so automatically the text will get adjusted according to the picture. So wherever you will move this picture, accordingly, the text will automatically get shifted. So this is how you can place a text and a picture together. Now I wanted to rotate this picture. So go to Format tab and see what else we can do. We can give an artistic effect to this picture like this, or these are the different types of artistic effects. Next is uh, we can rotate. I wanted to flip it vertically or horizontally, wherever you wanted to flip. So you can rotate the picture. Okay, next is now cropping a picture. Now suppose I have downloaded a picture with some text and I don't want to display that text. Or maybe, okay, let's say this picture, copy, paste, right click, wrap text behind the text. So this is my picture and I wanted to crop this image. Again, you have to go to the Format tab and there is a picture option of crop. Click on this and I wanted to crop it from left hand side. Crop it and again click on crop and adjust according to your requirement. So this is how you can crop the images also. Now I wanted to give different borders to the pictures. So these are picture borders. You can select any of the borders from here. I wanted to give it a 3D look. These are the picture effects, 3D rotation in whatever the way you want to display. So this is a 3D look of the picture. And next is again you can change the color. You can do the corrections in the picture. आपने उसका color effect brightness increase करनी है, decrease करनी है. You want to increase the contrast. So you can adjust the picture according to your requirement. And these are the color effects. If you want to change the color of the picture, you can change the color of the picture also. And these are the artistic effects if you want to give. So suppose you are creating a quiz and you don't want to display the exactly the same picture, and you want your audience to guess the name of the movie or name of the picture, then you can display it in this way. So these are the artistic effects which we can give to a picture. Next is okay. Now we can also remove the background from the picture. Now suppose from the same picture I wanted to remove the background. But this can happen only in MS Word 2010 and the newer versions of 2010, not in 2007. So first of all, I am going to change the effect 3D to a normal picture. Okay. Now I wanted to remove the background. So click on remove background. Now the whole pink area will get removed from the picture. So if you want to do some changes with the uh, pink area, you can do it according to your requirement. So you can mark the areas which you want to keep, like eye portion I wanted to keep, and then rest everything is okay. But definitely I don't want to keep this area. So mark the areas which you want to remove. So I wanted to remove this area, this portion, and this portion, and this one also. Now we are going to convert a normal image to a PNG image with no background. So now this is a picture without background. I can remove the borders also, and this is how picture will appear. Now I'm going to change the background color of the page so that you can see there is no background in this picture. Now we have converted a JPG image into a PNG image. Next is positioning and resizing of pictures. So positioning and resizing means you can increase and decrease the size using using these corner dots. When your mouse or cursor will convert into this plus sign, at that time you can decrease or increase the size. You can rotate and you can set the positions also. You want to place this image on the left hand side or right hand side, in the center, top, bottom of the page, wherever you want to. Suppose you want to display it at the bottom of your page, you can set according to your requirement. So automatically it will shift to the bottom. This is positioning of the picture. And we can also do this thing, the same thing, with the help of wrap text option. So I hope it is clear to everyone what all things you can do with the pictures and how can you place pictures and text uh, side by side in a Word document. Now let's add the borders to the page and a background for, like, how can we do it for newsletter. So I'm going to take a new file now. Okay, background we already have. We have downloaded the background. So I'm going to place the same background, copy it, paste it, rotate it. Now set the picture on your complete page. When this double arrow will come, at that time only you can shift. Okay, now change the color. Okay, now I wanted to search a border for this. So we will look for border PNG, or even now we know how to make a border. If something is without PNG, if it is a JPG image, how can we convert it into a transparent background? So we can search for frames. We can search for no, we don't want to use these types of frames. Let's write border for newsletter no borders for formal borders, formal borders, PNG. Okay, so I think we want these. Yes, we want something like this. So these types of borders are called, they have written only, and this is a PNG image also. So let's try this, copy this image and paste it. Now wrap text in front of text, adjust it according to your requirement. Because it is occupying so much space, so we can reduce the size. Otherwise, our content will not get covered on the page. So this is how we can do the designing of a newsletter. Now the same border you can place at the bottom also. So copy this border and paste it one more time. Now shift it and rotate it. Go to the format tab and rotate. I wanted to rotate it. I want that these lines should appear on this side. So flip horizontally. Okay, so this is how you can do the designing of your newsletter. The main page is ready. Now you just have to place the content and images according to your requirement, right? So this was the designing part of newsletter. So in the same way, you can design the certificates also, e-certificates. You can do the designing of any other pamphlets, any other uh, like you must have seen the letterheads of different companies. So you can do the designing of letterheads also in this way. Suppose it's a letterhead for doctor. Okay, you are creating a letterhead for doctor. So from top it is fine. It's a formal design. So we can search for stethoscope image, stethoscope PNG, and we can insert this image. Copy, paste, right click, wrap text in front of text. Now place the image, because you must have seen the images of stethoscopes which are already there on the letterheads of doctors. So all these images doesn't appear in a very the bright way. So you can change the colors of this stethoscope and make it a little lighter one. Washout, this is washout effect. Okay, this one is perfect. This is tan. And if you want to rotate a little, you can rotate it also. and place it according to your requirement. So this is a designing of a letterhead for a doctor. Now you can place, but if it is for a hospital, if this designing you have done for a hospital letterhead, then you can place the logo of the hospital and the name of the hospital according to your requirement. I hope it is clear to everyone how we can use the pictures in MS Word, how we can adjust, how we can change the colors, how we can rotate these pictures, how we can place the text with the picture.